Nokia is a legendary and iconic smartphone brand that ruled the mobile world back in the day. But after disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now making a massive comeback to shake up the smartphone market. According to the latest leaks, Nokia is about to launch an absolute beast of a smartphone very soon. This powerhouse device is rumored to pack a 200-megapixel DSLR grade camera and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. And the best part, it's expected to be surprisingly affordable. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Mclaren Pro 5G. In today's video, we're diving deep into the full leaked specs, price, and launch date of the Nokia Mclaren Pro 5G. So, let's get started. Features of Nokia Mclaren Pro 5G. As per leaks, this stunning smartphone will feature a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. On top of that, it comes with in-display optical fingerprint sensor, HDR10 Plus support, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia Mclaren Pro 5G doesn't hold back. It boasts a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a 200-megapixel periscope lens for insane zoom and detail. The other two cameras include a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 16-megapixel depth macro sensor. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, ready to capture your best angles. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming and multitasking. And for software, it runs the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery backup. The Nokia Mclaren Pro 5G packs a huge 7000 mAh battery, meaning you can go days without charging. And when you do need a top-up, it supports 120-watt ultra-fast charging via USB Type-C, so you're back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. The expected price in the US market is around $700, which is a steal for these specs. And, as for the launch, Nokia is likely to unveil this beast in December.